Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. This is BEM's Trading Journal, July 4, 2022. So, the goal of this journal is to see my trades and how I will be able to learn from them and see if we can catch something. So, I'll be using a C Trader, also looking at Binance for crypto, looking at Bitcoin, USD, and for Forex, I'll be going through these four pairs. It's Euro USD, USD Yen, Pound USD, and Pound Yen. So I will see if there are any opportunities here. What I'm looking for is uh, divergence in the RSI. Also, if the average true range is either high or low. So usually when it's low, I'll be trading with the 1 minute chart. If the average true range is low, I'll be looking for reversals. If it's high, I'll be looking for continuations. So right now it's fair. It's going through and scanning the market. Let's see the 30 minute. So right now in the 30 minute, it is in the 200 moving average with a fairly low uh, ATR, average true range. That is moved up, so I'm leaning towards a sell. Yeah, leaning towards a sell here, but it hasn't broken yet. It's still moving in the 200 average in the 1 minute, so let's wait for that. It's still in the support area, so let's wait for that to go down a little bit more. How about here in the USJPY? Okay, it's also, if I look at the 30 minute, yeah, it's almost in the 200 moving average. I would wait for that for a while. Pound USD. Okay, it's just broke the 200 moving average. So there might be a continuation upwards or going down to test the 200 moving average. Yeah, here it might go down to this 200 moving average. Let's go back. Let's see first the euro. Yeah, it broke a little bit. Let me take a sell. Okay, I'm in a sell right now. In CTrader, I have an automatic stop loss and a take profit. So my stop loss is about $12. I'll move it down just above this support here. That will be a minus $7. My target is $12. Let's see in a higher time frame where is a good place to put. So I can still go down to here. So $24. This is my target. If it doesn't, the first might go until this area, about 23 pips. So let's see. Okay, let's look at pound JPY, the pound yen. Okay, in the 1 minute chart, it looks like it's Going down, it's below the 50 here. Let's see, it just touched the 200 moving average on the 30-minute. So I think I can also sell here. Sorry. Okay, this is my stop loss. I'll put it down to about 531. Okay, so watch those two. This is the pound JPY and this is the Euro USD. Let's look at crypto. This is the 1 minute. Okay, this is 30 minutes. So it just broke this area here. There's a possibility it might continue, but it's now oversold, overbought. I mean, let's see if the ATR is moving upwards. Let's see in the 1 minute. So nothing yet, nothing happening. So let's stick with Forex for now. Let's see what's happening. Let me just open my YouTube and see if the stream is going well. Okay, so far it's okay now. We are live. Okay, so here we have pound JPY. Okay, why did I take a sell? Okay, only because it reached, there's a resistance over here. It touched the 200 moving average. So there's a possibility it will go down. So let me adjust this. I'll put it here. So there's like about $18. Let's see. There is also in the 30-minute. It's about $24. If the TP was here, it will be like $10. If I put it here, it's about 26. I'm looking at this one here. Let's see some signals here. In CTrader, you can see some signals from AutoChartist. So many of the signals right now are going up. Yeah, these are some of the signals that are happening right now. So we actually took the opposite. So we might be wrong. Yeah. technically, if you're looking at it, it's in a upward trend line. But my reasoning is it hit the 200 moving average. So in theory, it will give a bounce. Now it might bounce only until here and then go up. Do I have any like drawing? Okay, might go like that. Or it might go here. These are the two scenarios. For the pound JPY, okay, this is the 30-minute. Yeah, I'm just waiting for it to, actually this is the next support right over here. So there is a possibility it will go there, or goes to this target. So right now we're negative. Let's see in the 30-minute. Do I think I'm too close? I might be too close to the, let me put it here in the moving average. Sometimes it touches the moving average, so it might stop me out there. But I don't want to keep it so high above because I don't want to put a big loss. But let's see. Okay. So I'm just moving back and forth with pound JPY and Euro USD. Let's look into Binance. Let's see what's happening with crypto. Okay, nothing here so far. What might happen is oh, it's okay. So this is the 30-minute. It just broke this high here. So if you're looking at retrace to this high, looks like looks like it might continue up. Let's zoom in some more. 15-minute. Let's see. 5-minute. Oh, there's a divergence. So we're not sure yet if it's going up or down, but the ATR is already high. How about in the 1 minute? There's not a divergence here. It went low. So my ATR is low. How about the ATR here? ATR is high. Here ATR is also high. So there's a probability that it will still continue up. RSI is also overbought. So the momentum is still strong. Yeah, here also momentum seems strong. If you go to the 1 hour, it already reached the 200 moving average. Oh, is this 200? But yeah, is the 200 moving average. So there's a big chance it will move down. Yeah, this not. I'm not very confident with this trade, so I'll not take this trade. I'll just watch. Momentum in the short side seems to go up. It might go up until this moving average, and then come back down again. So I'm not very confident with this. So let's go back to our forex. Let's see what's happening. Okay, this is the pound. So we're 3 pips up. The euro, we're just 0.8 up. So not so big. So you can just relax for a while. Yeah, there's in the 1 minute, if it goes down to this 200 moving average, so it might stall here for a while. Let's see, there's a small support here. Also here, yeah. So unless it breaks this, there's a good chance it will go down to our take profit. If not, it will go back up. Let's see the Euro USD. Yeah, it's not moving that much. The average true range is picking up here, but it's not really going up yet. So until it goes up, then there's a big chance that it will move down. But until then, I don't think it will move just yet. Okay, let's look at crypto. See what's happening. Yeah, it's still moving up. So it might go up until this moving average. So this is one target. just because of the lower time frame momentum, it still might go up. Okay, nothing moving here so far. If we look at the volume also is quite low. So here at CTrader, you can see the remaining time of the candle. So we have in a 30 minutes candle, we have 1 minute left, 1.23. But here in the, yeah, it's 1 minute. 30 minutes, the same thing, 1.08. So what do you think will happen in the next candle? Let's try to find out. Okay, 36 seconds more until the next candle. Let me just make this size bigger so that we can see. Let's look over at crypto. So it went back down. Oh, it's just consolidating in the 1 minute chart. So it just broke up here from the downtrend. Well, it looks like it's just a sideways market. Don't really know where it's going. Might break out somewhere. Okay, look, we're in the losing side. It's going up, trying to break the 200 the 200 MA. Now if it breaks the 200 moving average, there's a possibility that it will go up. Let's see in the 1 minute how strong the momentum is. It's not really strong now. If you see the ATR, it's still down. So now it's moving like a very small movement. Yeah, unless the ATR goes up, then it will have a bigger movement going up. Let's check the euro. Yeah, it looks like the momentum is getting stronger here with bigger candles. Oh no, that's the RSI. Like a big player is trying to put in more money. You can see the volume is also getting higher. So you have a small candle and a high volume. Here, there's a small candle and a high volume. That means somebody has put in more money to push it up. So we still might get some upward movement because of this volume. Let's see. Yeah, his volume was not strong enough and the bears took over. So I'm looking at this red candle now. We'll see if it engulfs or if it's bigger than this candle. Oh, not that. It did not really engulf. Okay, let's see what's happening to this. Let's go to pound yen. Let's see what's happening in pound yen. Okay, same thing. Now, these, by the way, are not correlated because this one is the euro and the US. This is the pound and the yen. So yen is working on a different time zone. So it's basically influenced by the pound. So maybe the pound and the euro are correlating. I'm not really sure. Oops, there was a rejection of this candle. So if you're looking at the average true range, it's getting higher. That means the candles there, I think there is more volume coming in, more momentum, I mean. So the momentum can either push it down or up. It depends on how many buyers and sellers. So now they went down a little bit. So that means the candle is smaller. So these are like um, lagging indicators because they tell you only after the candle has moved. So it doesn't predict future movements. It only reacts to the market. So you can only like see what it's like, how it reacts, and then make your judgment based on that reaction. So it's a delayed or a lagging indicator, and you will be able to judge how it affects future price action. Okay, nothing going on really right now. By the way, it's also bank holiday, so we won't be getting enough volatility today. So yeah, I'm guessing we'll just have to live with small profits, or we have to take small losses. How about crypto? Is it affected by the bank holidays? Now, usually because it's decentralized, so they're not usually affected by central banks. This is only based on the users. So if the users are also in a bank holiday, then they might not be trading crypto. But yeah, I'm sure many people are not. They don't mind the bank holidays because there was a big move here, this area. Yeah, these areas were quite big and became small. So right now there's nothing happening. Some people are maybe accumulating some of their wealth and ready to put on a trade either by buying or selling. So this might break somewhere. If it breaks down, we might do a sell. If it breaks up, we might do a buy. Because the price action is going slowly upwards, either it breaks not enough and then goes back down. Let's observe first. Okay, let's go back. Let's see what's happening with. Okay, it's now it went back up. So now the momentum went back down, so it reversed. There was not enough momentum to push it down, so it exhausted its momentum, and then it went back up. So my guess is if the ATR is still down, might go up for a while. If it doesn't break this area and the momentum is picks up again, it might fall another. Now if it wants to continue downward, it has to break these small supports here and this support. So if it breaks this, the moving average might be up here. It might make a support here and then go up and then go down. That's one scenario. Another way is it will go down here and go up, continue upwards. So right now I'm both in a sell with the pound JPY and the euro USD. So it's both losing at the moment. Yeah, it fell again. That was the euro USD. Okay, fell and rejected. Okay, but pound JPY still negative 4 pips. Okay, let's see what's happening in crypto. Okay, it's still moving upwards with a low ATR. So my guess, if it's a small a small climb upwards, then it might, I hope, I hope the live is working. Oh yeah, there. Yeah, you can. Yeah, there was a small drop here. If it drops, it has to break these small supports here. Like I wouldn't take a sell yet, because sometimes if you take a sell, it just keeps on going up. So I'll wait for that. Oh, it's, so I think we're losing. Oh, we're almost in the stop loss in the pound yen. So I think we're losing here. Yeah, even with a small momentum, it was just climbing up. Uh, I think it's going to hit stop loss. I'm not moving my stop loss up because I don't want to take a big loss. So I will keep my loss small. What's happening here? Yeah, actually my stop loss is quite far because of the movement of Euro USD. It doesn't move as fast or as far. Not like the pound pound yen. It has bigger moves. Yeah, I think this will break. I think this will take out the stop loss. So let it be. How much is that? That's about $5. $5.31. Yeah, there. Yeah, it's also going up. So I'm also losing here. So I think the momentum is up. have a new pattern in the auto chartist, which is a down. Yeah, it says it's going to go down here, but it's going up. Yeah. Yeah, it's still going up. It's a matter of time it will hit. Yeah, I think it's going to hit. Yep, it hit now. The stop loss. So we lost $5. Let's see in the 30. So somehow it's still on the moving average, but it's still going up. How big is this now? It's already about 160 pips. I think there's still a leg down. Let me put some pending orders. I'll put a pending order here. Sell limit at yeah, I'll keep my stop loss. I'll put a sell stop under here. Let's see USD. M8. Put that to 737. Okay, let's look at crypto first. Yeah, see, it was really working in our favor. So right now it's in a sideways market. Don't really want to trade it until it breaks. So my theory for my strategy for the pound yen, if it hits this target here, I would cancel this trade. If it doesn't, if it does, it goes up and doesn't activate this target, then I still have a buy stop here. Oh, I mean a sell stop. Now these are I have three, so these are two trades I took so far. One is still ongoing. The other one is already stopped out. I will take three trades today. If all of them don't work out, then I stop. So that means, oh, okay. So now it broke. Look at the, yeah, unless the ATR goes up, it's still a small movement. I'm looking at this target. Doesn't look like a good target. 35, 355 points. Oh, the pound yen did not reach the target on top. So we might not, if that doesn't hit that target, if it hits this target, the sell stop, then I cancel the one on top. So right now it's 2 minutes until stocks open, but since it's bank holiday, stocks might not be affected because it's July 4th. So yeah, it's a holiday. just remove these drawings. Even crypto is not really moving right now. Is it waiting for stocks open? We have 5 seconds. Okay, now stock open. If there are stocks open right now, is euro, is the pound yen. So it looks like it's going to hit the sell stop. We're just watching, waiting for it to hit. So again, once it hits that, then I'll cancel this other one. Okay, it hit that one, so I'll cancel this. So now I have a stop loss of $5, another $5. So if that hits that stop loss, then I'll be done for this pair. And then Euro USD will be the last. For crypto, okay, so now we're going down. There's a good chance it might still go down. Let's just put something. I'll put okay, 1000 BUSD is only 0.05 BTC. So it broke this area, but there's a small support here. And it's also moving to the 200 moving average. Yeah, it's not very clean. There's also a lot of messy areas here. Hmm. So if the momentum is picking up, Okay, let's try. Let's sell it. Then I have a stop loss. I'll put it 19682.3. It'll be about $4.47. That's right over here. So where will be a good target? Let's see in the 30 minutes. Seems like a good target is right over here. 19376.8. So that will be 11. Yeah, because there's a support here. Yeah, support here. So it must be just before the support. It can also be this is the 200, so it's moving up. So it can also be the next support here. The next can be here. Maybe let's put it here. 19 192695. 192695. It's about 16. Now either way, if it moves here and starts going up, then what we will do is we'll take our profits. That is if it moves. So hopefully it doesn't go back and hit our stop loss. Let's see what's happening in the forex. So went back up. Yeah, this one doesn't look like a good trade. It might stop us out again because the volume went down again. The momentum went down again, so it might make another leg up. Yeah, this might stop us out again. Yeah, euro is not also looking so good. Let's see, crypto. Crypto went back up. So unless this becomes resistance, okay, this one can move down because these are already turning. It's already turning. So these become resistance, and move down. So I think this might be too far. We might stop it out here. Right here. Okay, this one is also losing. It's losing here also. So we did not make a good call today. Yeah, I think we were too early. We put the stop just above. It should have been below here. Because if it went back up, we could have gotten that upward leg and then it comes down. Yeah, this was today. Uh, let's see the previous month. I like that I made a good amount of dollars here, but I have a lot of losses. Yeah, you can see a lot of losses. Hope the momentum here goes. So there was one, you see the RSI, it went down to the oversold area, went back up. Sometimes it goes again to the oversold. If the momentum keeps on pushing it down, yeah, it went up a little bit and went down. Hopefully it goes up again this ATR so that the momentum can push it down some more. Yeah, we can see only like small red candles. What I want to see is like big ones, then small green and big ones. Okay, we're going down. Let's see. Okay, just keep the green small. Did not really break it, broke it and then put a wick. So this made a small support here. Oh, so far our pound yen is going down. How about our euro? Still up. So our relative index is at the 61. It's going up. Oh, it went back up. Our pound yen. Let's look at Bitcoin. Another candle. Still a green one. Let's go back to Forex. Let's see what's happening. Okay, so it's a mistake again. Or is it? Now, yeah, because this is my trading journal, so I'm trying to figure out like why these why it goes that way, why it goes this way. How do the masters do it? Like what do they see for the to get a probability that it goes their way? Now sometimes it doesn't go their way, but what do they do? Do they wait? Do they put stop like buy stops or sell stops? So the goal here is to learn from trading. So I'm trying to like talk about what I think and what I think will happen, and if it doesn't happen, then what can we do to improve for the next time. So as you saw, we already made one loss today, and we tried to take this other trade, and we'll try to see if it works. So what we had right now is we had a loss of this was previous month. Today our loss was 545. Now if we're able to get 545 in gains, that will break even. But this one is not even in the green yet. Their Euro USD. So we needed to come to the green. Now why did we take this sell? Well, let's review. So we took the sell somewhere here, I think. because we were anticipating the bounce from the 200 moving average. So it's still valid. Actually, the reason I have my stop at 9 is because I put it in the moving average. So this is quite a big loss if you put it in the 9, if you're losing 9, right? Yeah, but my reasoning is it went up to the moving average to go, it bounces down. It might test again the moving average or not, or it just might go down. Well, it's sitting on top of the 9 and on top of the 55. So it has to break these two. So it's sitting in between. So let's see what happens. This one is the pound yen. Okay, hopefully it continues down. Yeah, it's still on this, it's sitting on this moving average. So hopefully it goes down before the 55. That way we can get it here. It's almost in the hour. Okay, what's about our crypto? Crypto is still, it's not much momentum. It's also diverging here. So this one made the lower low, but our RSI made a higher high. So there's a probability it will go back here and then go back down if there's enough momentum to push it down. I don't know. Okay, as you can see now, we're 7 pips. Our gross is about $2 to $3. So if we can make, if this stays at like $2, if we make $7, we can close this and call it break even. This is what we can do. Or we can just let it run. Yeah, and the Euro USD, it's still sitting here. Or I can just wait for it to play out. Waiting for it to play out will be, this one will be $26. And then if the pound, if I wanted to play out, will be about $19. That's the target. But there's no guarantee. So all of them might be a loss. Okay, here it did not even break the low. So it's sitting on this area. It might go up here and then go down, or might go up and go up. Let's see what the 30 minutes is saying. Yeah, it's bounced because it hit the 9, but there's still a big chance it can go down and hit the 200. This is the 55. So the 55 is here, the 200 is here. It bounced in the 9. Yeah, looks like there's a big chance it will go to the 200 based on this 30-minute chart. But I'm not very sure, so it's all probability. Oh, here it's Euro USD went green a little bit, but went back to 2 point. Now if we can get a net profit of about $5 or $6, then we're okay. Let's look at our take profit. So this is our take profit and stop loss. So our take profit is $16, and our stop loss is 4. So this is a 4 times a 4 times reward risk to reward ratio. Yeah, about 3.5 maybe, or 3.70. Right? So if it goes to $4, then we're break even. We're 1:1. So right now we're 1:1. If it goes to $8, we have 1:2. So I think this is a good reward to risk. I think we can let this play out. It looks like it's smooth candles in the left hand side. Oh, not really. This one is messy. But so far this one is not so. This one is clean. And the moving averages are just below the line. So there's a good chance it can reach here. Okay, let's go again to our yeah. So we're now break even. We're almost about break even. There, we're break even now. So it seems like let's see what euro is doing. Looks like it's bouncing. This is the average to range. So it's now 9 o'clock in Bangkok. It's 9 o'clock, so it's also 9 o'clock New York time. It's like 30 minutes after the stock market opens. So you'll see a lot of volatility. Okay, sorry. So let's see where the direction of this goes. Now it already broke this initial support, so there might be a follow through. Also, you see the average to range momentum is picking up. Let's see here. That's why it's low. Okay, momentum has also picked up here. It's struggling to break the 200 moving average. So with this momentum, it's struggling with this going up and down. Hmm. If it's struggling with this, this might be a problem. Let's see. But momentum is picking up. So if it breaks this 200 moving, there's a good chance it will go through. Right now I am break even. Yeah, looks like it's going to break through the moving average or not. There's one, two, three. So hopefully this fourth one breaks. Yeah. No, did not. Yeah, so this is now the barrier. So it's trying to break this. This is the support. Let's look here. Yeah, the 1 minute it already broke It already broke this barrier. It can go down, but the ATR is going down again. So if it goes down, there might be a retracement here. Okay, this is crypto. So it looks like it's stalling here. There's a Now it broke the 9, it broke the 55 here in the 5. Yeah, the 200 is still here. For the 1 minute, it broke all of the, it's below the 9 here. Yeah, my target is here. Might be a good idea to put it here. Okay. Okay, looks good. Oh, it went down and then went back up. Oh, I'm already 170 equity. So my goal is to reach 170. There you go. Let me close all. Okay. So 170. From 160 to 170, that's $10 profit. I lost, actually I was 66 and I just, oh anyway, it's still a gain. So I got $3, $3 profit. Well, not bad, not good. So at least we did not lose. We lost one today, 545. We made it back with 6 and then we made an extra 2. Yeah, actually we could have let it run some more, but yeah, yeah, we could have let it run some more. But anyway, because of this loss, I wanted to take it back, make a break even. I think we're okay. Okay, so I think that's enough for today. This one is also $4. Let me just close this for today. I think it's a wrap. So I made 225. I lost actually, it was 229. Then I lost $10. So it went to 220. Actually I lost, yeah, about, yeah, it's on 219. Then we got $6 back. Oh no, I lost 8, so we got $4 back. So yeah, we need to work on this next time. So let's work on this next time. The reason I closed also because it's 9, and we've been trading for an hour now. Uh, Usually we can take 2 hours, but I'm also tired, and so I think it's not good to keep trading when you're already tired. So I'll keep this like this for now, and I'll see you again next time. Let's see if we can do better next time. I will try to analyze the market and see how we can do better. So far I think that is okay. Yeah, the still could have, yeah, it's still going down because it broke this. So the lesson is if it broke this 200 moving average, then there's a possibility it can still go down, go up, retest the 200 and then go down again, which is 545. And then both were winners, but I was not very with these ones. I was thinking that it would also be stopped out, especially the pound JPY. I wasn't very confident about it. Also the Euro USD, I was not very confident about it. So I think we need to learn how to be more confident, how to see the charts more better, and yeah, hopefully we'll become better traders next time. I hope if some of you will stumble upon my channel. So right now I don't see anybody watching, and it's just me. So in the future, if somebody comes and watches and hopes to get some tips from this, then it would be really great. Like I'll be happy that somebody has learned. So I'll keep this going, and hopefully in the future some people